Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with almost 30 years experience in restorative cleaning of textiles and carpets in homes and businesses. And popular question I get, and what I want to answer today is, can you clean my apartment? I live in a high-rise apartment, or if I live on the third floor of an apartment, or I live in a retirement community and they come in and clean my carpets, but they won't clean my couch. Can you guys do that? And the answer is yes, absolutely we can do that, but we may not be able to get at it with our truck mounted extractors. We have some commercial units that can go pretty far up into buildings. So the short answer is it just depends on what you need done, and does the scope of the project match the equipment time to set up a truck mount and go. We can go up to 10 floors into buildings if we have to. But what affects this is access. Can we get the truck parked close enough where maybe we can go up and in a balcony that we've done, or a mezzanine that goes into your apartment on the third floor? Those are pretty easy. If we have good access, we can still reach that with the truck mount. If we can't, if you live in if you're down on the plaza in one of the loft apartments, or downtown and you live on the 17th floor, obviously you can pretty much have your answer. But we do have high performance portable extractors as well that can go up into these buildings, and yes, they're a lot slower than a truck mount, but we can still attain with understanding the adaptations in time and the chemistry and agitation differences. We can still get a portable to clean just as good and be very effective and keep the safety of your fabrics in mind as well. So I just wanted to spend some time on that and let you know that we can do that. To answer the questions that we just put out there, really it's impossible to talk about this stuff because we need to see the access points to it. And there may be some building entrance and exit procedures that we have to abide by. So we go out and take a look first. And I still do a lot of these consultations myself today. We'll come out anywhere in the KC metro area and take a look to see what the project you have, what are the soil conditions that are affecting that, what's the equipment we need to get up into your properties, and what's the most effective way to do that, because all of those answers then affect pricing. And then we'll give you a written quote once we get to ascertain all that information and put that together so you can be confident and not have the surprises. Trust me, I've heard the horror stories when the people showed up, they didn't have the right equipment and the price changed and they did all these other things. So let's have a conversation first. It doesn't cost anything. And then if it makes sense on scope and price, we'll proceed from there. So look forward to serving you soon.